Hi, if you want to surprise your guests or household members with an interesting dish, then I suggest the recipe for meatballs in puff pastry. It is not difficult to prepare balls, but a very interesting presentation and taste will not leave anyone indifferent. First, prepare the food. Cut the onion into small cubes. Divide the egg into yolk and white. Add onion, protein, a clove of garlic, salt and spices to the minced meat, and mix everything. At the end, do not forget to beat off the minced meat so that it is filled with oxygen. Grate cheese on a coarse grater. Now we will make the base for the balls. For this we moisten our hands in cold water and form balls from the minced meat. Then roll in cheese. Put the finished balls in the refrigerator for half an hour. The turn has come to the threads. Roll out puff pastry 3 mm thick and cut into strips of about 5 to 7 mm. For an aesthetic look, I connect the strips immediately. Halfway past. Now we wrap each ball with strips of puff pastry, imitating a ball of thread. The filling should be wrapped in one layer of dough, otherwise the balls may not bake. Put the workpiece on a greased baking sheet or on parchment. Cover each ball with whipped yolk and sprinkle with sesame seeds. We bake in the oven for about 30 minutes at a temperature of 180 degrees. As soon as the dough is brown, the balls are ready. Serve the dish hot with any side dish or as an independent dish. Bon appetit! Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.